Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we are thrilled to showcase a powerful new feature for QuoteX. This enhancement enables organizations to efficiently manage resource modifications and generate accurate change orders with greater flexibility and precision than ever before. As you can see on the screen, we begin with our original, contracted quote. This quote confirms that we sold 3 key resources, a project manager, technical lead, and developer, to our customer for a full 24 months of staff supply. However, after 11 months of successful delivery, the customer has requested a contract amendment. They now need us to reduce the scope for the remaining 13 months to exactly 50% of the original value. Unlike other complex CPQ systems, processing this change in QuoteX is incredibly simple. The sales representative begins by cloning the original contracted quote. They update the quote name to clearly identify it as the amendment quote. And then, critically, they activate the timeline amendment by checking the Is Amendment Quote flag. Now that the quote is marked as an amendment quote, the sales rep simply navigates to the cloned timeline view. Notice how the specialized timeline amendment component instantly appears, allowing us to directly modify the contracted resources. The sales rep will immediately notice that the core contracted resources, prices, discounts, and timeline frequency are all locked down. This is an essential guardrail. No changes can be made directly to the existing contracted values. The sales representative then utilizes the Add Amendment button for each of the 3 roles. This action clones the roles and pulls in their respective pricing and settings. The rep then simply inputs the required negative value. In this case, they enter minus 84 hours to achieve the 50% reduction over the last 13 months. The system takes care of the rest. All downstream calculations are performed automatically, instantly adjusting the total resource allocation and delivering the accurate, new contracted value. The QuoteX Timeline Amendment successfully transforms complex contract reductions into a simple, 3-step process, providing the speed and precision needed to manage any change order efficiently.